Introducing Amazon Echo.
Hi there.
And some of Echo's first customers. Echo is a device designed around your voice. Simply say Alexa and ask a question or give a command.
Alexa, how many tablespoons are in 3/4 cup?
3/4 cups is 12 tablespoons.
Echo is connected to Alexa, a cloud-based voice service, so it can help out with all sorts of useful information right when you need it.
To me, it's bringing technology from Iron Man at Tony Stark's house into your own.
Echo can hear you from anywhere in the room, so it's always ready to help.
I can have the water running, I can be cooking, the TV can be on in the back room, and she still can hear me.
It can create shopping lists,
Alexa, add waffles to my shopping list.
provide news,
From NPR News in Washington.
control lights,
Alexa, turn on the lights.
We use it to set timers. We use that feature all the time, and that's one that's specifically helpful, I think, uniquely to blind people.
calendars,
Today at 1 p.m. there's lunch with Madeline.
and much more.
Alexa, how's traffic?
For Jose's commute, the fastest route takes about 18 minutes.
You can even reorder from your Amazon shopping history by simply asking Alexa.
The Prime reordering is when you can ask Alexa to order something that you've already ordered through your Prime account.
Stream music from Pandora, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, and Prime Music.
We use music a lot.
And listen to your favorite audiobooks from Audible.
In the years since I'd first started reading Artie's missives,
With its advanced audio design, Echo fills any room with immersive sound. And she's kind of funny.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the bubblegum cross the road? Because it was stuck to the chicken's foot.
The Echo app is useful for keeping track of to-do lists and other info on your device.
What's great is that, for example, if I want to read exactly what's on my to-do list that I added through the Echo, I can also access it even if I'm not at home.
Echo is always learning new skills.
We actually discovered that we can teach Alexa to learn my accent. Alexa, add Nescafe on my shopping list.
I have added Nescafe to your shopping list.
And becoming part of the family.
Alexa, what's the chance of rain?
There's an 80% chance of rain.
The Echo is a tool that we use to keep our household functioning.
Okay, boot and boom.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Alexa, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.